Hello, my name's Joshua. I work for Currys PC World, and today I want to run you through how to install new apps on your smart television. The TV that I have is a Panasonic. The beautiful thing about televisions is much like phones, they might use different icons or different words for menus and apps, but ultimately they all work the same way. First thing that I need to do is turn on the television and find myself in the smart menu. The button on my television to get this menu up is the home button. You might have a small picture. It's how you would normally access your other apps. Now that I'm on the smart menu, I'm going to use the arrow keys like I normally would to move around. I've got apps pre-installed, that's usual, things like BBC iPlayer and Netflix. YouTube will be pre-installed. I'm going to look around for the apps market. Yours could be anywhere, mine just happens to be up in this top left-hand corner. I'm going to press on that to open it. I've now got lots of options. The first ones are obviously the featured apps. You then got one specifically for video and movie, music, go all the way down to you have access to some social networking sites through your television. This might depend on your TV. Extra news sites. But we're going to go back up to video and movie. I want to go through to Fireplace app. I like the idea of turning my room into a nice fired area. Come across, it tells me whether it's going to cost me anything. This one does say that it's free. Press on free. And it's installing. Now that that's downloaded and returned back to the main menu, I can press the apps for my apps menu. Use the arrow keys again to navigate down to the new app. Press on it. Some apps may require you to sign in, things like Netflix, Amazon Prime and subscription services, so you may find that you have to subscribe online. Now that I've downloaded my new app, I've spent some time playing with it and I've learned to navigate my way around it. I'm going to sit back, put my feet up and imagine I'm toasting my feet in front of a lovely warm fire in the middle of the winter, despite the fact that it's sunny outside. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful.